Hello, dear one. Whether you have wandered here from the first light of dawn or the calm hush of night, whether your heart feels heavy or light, know that you are deeply welcome. This moment is a gentle pause made just for you, a soft breath in your busy day. Now, let's arrive fully here in this sacred pause. Feel the surface beneath you, the chair, the bed, the earth holding you steady. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it flows, effortless and true. There is no need to do anything but be here, exactly as you are. Just like a flower unfolding in its own time, allow yourself to open gently into this moment. See this rose, each petal holding a tiny world of rain. Imagine holding one gently in your palms. Breathe in its earthy sweetness. Breathe out through your fingers. Let your breath be this easy, this natural. Now, these marigolds. Bold and beautiful as little suns. Picture one blooming right in your chest. With every inhale, it soaks up warmth. With every exhale, it shares that light. No need to force it. Like flowers turning to the sun, your breath flows with gentle ease. Watch this lotus. Each time you exhale, a petal drifts away. carrying away what no longer serves you. I release. I let go. The water holds it all without judgment. Now, let's plant some kindness in our hearts. These aren't just words, they are little seeds of light. If you feel comfortable, you can whisper them with me, or simply let them bloom in your mind. Every way you welcome these seeds is right. Let us try our first one together. I am growing through what I go through. I am growing through what I go through. I am growing through what I go through. Imagine the words dissolving into your skin. My challenges help me bloom. My challenges help me bloom. My challenges help me bloom. Last one. Let it be a gift to yourself. I release what no longer serves me. I release what no longer serves me. I release what no longer serves me. However, these landed in your heart today is perfect. Maybe one phrase lingered longer than others. That's your soul whispering back to you. However, your day unfolds, however, your heart feels, you are rooted like the rose, bright as the marigold, at peace like the lotus. And just by being here, you are glowing. And when you open your eyes, carry this peace with you into your day or night. Whenever you are ready, blink your eyes open. carrying this softness within you like a petal kept in the pages of your favorite book. Until next time, be gentle with that beautiful heart of yours.